Hello, my name is Gabriela Carvajal and I'm a student of the San Pedro Clavera School of the grade 7B. Today I will talk about the Spatial Settlement 6606. That is the name of my colony that I would like to create in the planet Venus. Now, as supervisor of this space base, we must ensure that these well-supplied professionals will help us in the construction and the research of the new colony that we are creating in Venus. For this reason, we have decided to bring the following professionals. First, three scientists. Second, one archaeologist. Two biologists, one chef, one architect, one astronaut, two chemists, one doctor, one mechanical engineer, one civil engineer, one astronomer, one mathematician, one meteorologist, one physics, and one researcher for can investigate all the characteristics and all the things that we need to have and we need to do to for the construction of the new colony. Now I'm going to tell you the characteristics of the planet Venus. Okay, Venus is the second planet in the solar system in order of the distance from the Sun. The 60 in size, ordered from highest to lowest. Like Mercury is like Saturn satellites. It is a rocky and terrestrial planet, often called the sister planet of the Earth, since both are similar in size, mass, and composition, although totally different in thermal and atmospheric issues. The average temperature of Venus is 463.85 degrees Celsius. Its atmospheric pressure is 90 times higher than the Earth, a pressure equivalent on Earth to the pressure that is submerged in water at a depth of 1 kilometer. It is therefore the highest atmospheric pressure of all the rocky planets in the solar system. Despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury, Venus has the hottest atmosphere in the solar system. This is because it is mostly composed of carbon dioxide and a small amount of nitrogen. The huge amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes a strong greenhouse effect that raises the planet's surface temperature to about 464 degrees Celsius. In the less elevation region near the equator. This makes Venus hotter than Mercury, despite being more than twice the distance from the Sun as it is and receiving only 25% of its solar radiation. Due to the thermal inertia of its massive atmosphere and the transport of heat by the strong winds of its atmosphere, the temperature does not vary significantly between day and night. It currently lacks liquid water and its surface conditions are considered incompatible with no life. However, it has been postulated that in the past Venus could have oceans with as much water as terrestrial and meet conditions of planetary ability. Some materials of substance that can be found in Venus are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, neon, nitrogen, argon, water vapor, helium, and oxygen. Those are the suggestions to improve the colony. To improve the colony, I suggest placing a central base where all the most important procedures for the investigation and construction of the colony are carried out. In this base will be the astrologers, the engineers, and the scientists, together with the central computer where the database is general. The central base will be surrounded by 8 other bases where the remaining personnel are installed and where the other procedures are carried out. All these bases must be surrounded by a capsule or a gigant bubble suitable with the necessary living conditions such as water, food, oxygen, among others, so that people can inhabit, because it is impossible to inhabit it by the planet's condition. The other bases will be organized in the following way. In one of the bases, the chemists, the biologists, and the physics are going to be divided to carry out their due process. In the second base, archaeologists, meteorologists, and astronauts will be placed. In the third base, the mathematicians and researchers will be located. In the fourth base, the health and humanity process will be carried out. Therefore, there will be doctors and chefs. In the fifth base, the architects will be together with all the construction materials. In the sixth base will be the bedrooms and bathrooms of the staff. In the seventh base will be all the machinery, and in the eighth base will be the warehouse or storage centers. Food must also be brought for the first months while the method of planting artificial food is implemented in order to supply the base and its personnel. For the last thing, I'm going to be to present you the suggestions for the next space group on the future of the colony. Some suggestions for the following space group may be to perform a general maintenance or survey of each base and the capsule at least once every 3 months to ensure that it is in good condition and that no accident or air leak occurs. Also that they carry more food and more personnel as the base grows. Soon they could investigate a little more in depth the planet, its condition and its composition to be able to adapt the colony better.